Okay, I've received some items in this box. I don't know what they are, so let's open and see what they are. Okay, let's see what is here. That's interesting. So, let's open and see what is here. Oh, an eyepiece. Celestron 26mm Plössl, multi-coated. That's the legendary 26. This is like the RKE Edmond Scientific eyepiece. Spacewalk experience. The eyepiece disappears when you look through it. So, I have to look through it and see how it is. I will show you closer. Okay, this is the eyepiece. I removed the cap. That's the eyepiece itself. It has a huge lens for a 26mm eyepiece. This is a legendary eyepiece. I have to clean it. So I've cleaned the eyepiece now and also removed some masking tape which was attached for probably writing labels on it. And let's see how it looks through this with first just visually observing, then just without a telescope, then with a telescope. That's how it looks like without a telescope. Very clear, large lens. This is the Celestron Silvertop 26mm eyepiece, the legendary. And let's now look how the image is. The edge of the field of view is not very clear, but the rest of the image is very clear, sharp. Yeah, the field of view now is razor sharp. Now notice I've locked the focuser, so I could not move the focuser. So I've now unlocked it on the telescope. And that was the view through the Celestron Silvertop 26mm Plössl legendary eyepiece. And this is the my Skywatcher Pro EDAT Pro series, 80mm 3/4 inch, and 600mm focal length is around 6.5 f ratio, f number. So relatively fast piece, telescope. And that was what we were looking at, those fruits, little fruits. Probably that one we were looking at. There's several yellow leaves there. So quite far, around 12 to 15 meters away. Visually, the field of view, the field of stop is very sharp and visible. But with the camera, it cannot show it exactly like that. Camera can focus on the center, it cannot focus on the edge. If the image is a little bit distance, and the same image plane is not at the same the field of stop. So, but visually, it's sharp, razor sharp. Okay, now I had a chance to look in the night sky and see how this eyepiece performs. As I always say, half of the performance of a telescope is this eyepiece, or the eyepiece that you use it. And this is again my trusty and wonderful Skywatcher EDAT Pro series. And this is the Celestron 26mm Plössl Silvertop legendary. And I can say it's as good as a teleview. Only 5% to the edge, it just gets a slightly distortion, very minor, but the rest of the field of view around the stars, beautiful. It does work. It does work.